to this video, we're going to replace the transmission switch of our Acura TL. We have the parts here. Here are the transmission switch, guys. One here, the other one behind this one is in here. We're gonna unbolt this here. I'm gonna take out this, and then we have an access here. Detach this. This one, guys, it should be taken out, but it's rusty and I cannot detach it from here. So I'll try to change this sensor without taking that out. Hope I won't break the wire. So I'll just push this in. I detached already the harness for that transmission switch. Then I will try to take this out without taking this off here, because the sensor is already here. This is the one. Transmission switch for the third gear. So soft. Little fluid came out. We'll just put this back. Just put this back. Now we have to install this back also. Now this is the fourth gear. I detach the harness. This is the new one. We completely installed, guys, the two transmission switch. The rest I will just put the cover back, like the fender liner. I'll put the tire back, torque, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.